Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Rubbermaid Hygen Mop is probably one of the most versatile and efficient cleaning tools available for both home and professional use, designed to tackle a wide range of messes with its innovative features and durable construction, making it an indispensable asset for anyone seeking a superior clean. Number 5. Rubbermaid Commercial Hygiene Quick Connect Extension Pole. Experience a continuous cleaning process with our high-efficacy tools. They are designed for efficient cleaning in various facilities, ensuring a thorough job every time. This bucket is safe for all your cleaning needs. You can confidently use it with bleach, hydrogen peroxide, and D-limonene-based solutions without worry. Achieve the perfect dampness for your mop pads with the built-in press grate. Its washboard surface effectively removes dirt and debris before you wring it out. Measuring your cleaning and disinfecting solutions is now simple. The molded-in guide ensures accuracy before you even add the mop pads. Transporting this bucket is a breeze thanks to its comfort grip handle. It's designed for ease of use and convenience. Cleaning up is quick and easy with its lightweight, non-porous plastic construction. A simple wipe down is all it takes to keep it looking great. Move the bucket effortlessly across various floor types. The non-marking casters ensure smooth mobility without leaving any unwanted marks behind. What we like? This mop system is designed for high-efficacy cleaning, especially in healthcare settings. Its chemical compatibility and ideal saturation control make it a top choice for professional environments. If you need a reliable and efficient cleaning solution for demanding facilities, this is the one to consider. What people say? It feels ergonomically better than a traditional handle. The adjusting mechanism is very easy to unlock and lock. The product feels sturdy, commercial grade, well-built and hygienic. 110 recommend this mop handle. It is a good length, super durable and can handle hard work. Easy to adjust and takes pressure very well. Love the Velcro attachment for the mop pads, makes it easy to throw on or pull off. Extendable arm to make it the right length for the user. Number 4. Rubbermaid Commercial Hygen Microfiber Mop Frame. Experience a superior clean with its high-efficacy microfiber that naturally attracts dust, dirt, and bacteria. It's ideal for professional settings like healthcare facilities. Crafted with a premium blend of polyester and nylon, its split-blended microfiber offers the smallest fiber size for an enhanced cleaning surface. Effortlessly clean various hard floors including wood, tile, and laminate. It's perfect for maintaining cleanliness in bathrooms, kitchens, offices, and lobbies. Use it for dust mopping before wet mopping to prevent floor hazing. This helps maintain and protect your floor's finish, keeping surfaces clean and shiny. This sustainable pad is designed for longevity, tested to withstand 200 launderings in hot water with bleach. It's safe for commercial washing machines. Its industry-leading loop backing, made of durable polyester, ensures a secure attachment to the frame, even after repeated washing. The chlorine-resistant dye ensures superior color fastness, helping the pads maintain their color throughout their laundering cycles. What we like? Experience a superior clean with its best-in-class microfiber that naturally attracts dust and dirt. The high-quality construction ensures durability, and it's reusable and washable, tested to withstand 200 launderings. If you're looking for a sustainable and highly effective mop for professional use on various hard floors, this is an excellent option. What people say? It's not heavy but is really sturdy. Works as it should and I would buy this again. This is so easy to use. It's great quality and easy to maneuver. Easy to attach and change the mop head. I use the head along with the solid telescopic pole handle and the blue or green microfiber mop. Excellent way to thoroughly clean bare floors. Easy wash up, I throw in washing machine and air dry. Number 3. Rubbermaid Commercial Hygiene Pulse Spray Mop Kit. Experience a high-efficacy clean that removes 99.7% or more of tested virus and bacteria using just water. Its premium microfiber construction ensures a superior clean on all your hard floors. This mop is designed to help reduce cross-contamination. Color-coded features encourage using different pads for different areas or tasks, preventing the spread of dirt. Enjoy an effortless cleaning experience on wood, tile, laminate, and more. It's perfect for use in bathrooms, kitchens, offices, and lobbies. You can safely use your preferred cleaners and disinfectants with this mop. Its super absorbent pad can clean up to 250 square feet on a single fill. Tackle tough messes with its patented zigzag design, providing added scrubbing power. This feature helps lift stubborn dirt with ease. This mop is a sustainable choice. The pad is reusable and washable, tested to withstand 200 launderings according to CDC guidelines. What we like? Achieve a high-efficacy clean, removing over 99.7% of tested viruses and bacteria with just water. It features built-in scrubbing power and is designed to help reduce cross-contamination. If you prioritize hygiene and efficiency, especially in kitchens or bathrooms, this spray mop kit is ideal for you. What people say. The spray system works awesome and is easy to control. Also, the place the stream comes out is rubber, which helps the nozzles not get clogged. First, the spray mechanism produces 3 nice streams of your preferred cleaner behind the mop where it should go, no more wimpy spritzes in front of the mop head. Secondly, the microfiber pads are a good size, which makes mopping faster, and are of a superior quality to others I have used. They really pick up the dirt and debris and leave the floor slightly damp as opposed to wet. The wide pad makes quick work. Love how the microfiber pad is machine washable. It's lightweight and can be stored away. Number 2. 32-inch Microfiber Flat Mop. Introducing our 32-inch Microfiber Flat Mop, designed for efficient and effortless floor cleaning. Its wide frame and durable construction make it perfect for various surfaces. Tackle large areas with ease thanks to its 32-inch wide head and 360-degree rotating function. This mop is ideal for quickly cleaning homes, hotels, and shopping malls. This mop comes with 4 high-quality microfiber pads that are both washable and reusable. They effectively capture dust and pet hair, keeping your floor spotless. Say goodbye to bending over. The adjustable telescopic handle extends from 43 to 53 inches, providing a comfortable cleaning experience for everyone. Crafted from high-quality materials, this mop is built for long-lasting use. We stand by our product and are here to assist with any issues you may encounter. What we like? This wide mop boasts a 32-inch head with 360 degrees rotation for efficient cleaning of large areas. The adjustable telescopic handle means no more bending over. If you have a large home or commercial space and want to clean quickly and comfortably, this mop is a great choice. What people say. This large 36 wrestling mat mop is exactly what I needed for my big rooms. It covers so much area with each pass, cutting my cleaning time in half. The adjustable handle is comfortable and the mop head glides smoothly. It feels sturdy and commercial grade, perfect for households with lots of floor space. The quick replacement pads are easy to apply and remove and washable. Number 1. Rubbermaid Hygen Disposable Microfiber Mop Pads. Experience exceptional cleaning with these advanced microfiber pads. Their unique design tackles tough messes with ease, leaving surfaces spotless. These pads are proven to remove 99.9% of tested viruses, bacteria, and fungi with just water. Ensure a healthier environment with every use. Prevent cross-contamination by using a fresh pad for each area or task. This single-use design promotes a more hygienic cleaning process. Use them confidently with a variety of cleaners and disinfectants, including bleach and hydrogen peroxide. They are safe for all your cleaning needs. Perfect for both dusting and wet mopping, these pads are ideal for a wide range of surfaces. Achieve a thorough clean every time. The integrated scrubbing stripes provide extra power for stubborn grime. They effectively remove dirt and scuff marks, ensuring a deeper clean. What we like? For ultimate convenience and hygiene, these disposable microfiber pads are the way to go. They remove 99.9% of tested pathogens with water alone and feature scrubbing stripes for added cleaning power. If you want to minimize cross-contamination and ensure a fresh pad for every task, especially in sensitive environments, these are perfect. What people say. The mop head is made of microfiber and is highly absorbent, making it effective for cleaning up spills and messes. The mop features a telescopic handle that can be adjusted to different heights, providing a comfortable cleaning experience for users of all sizes. The mop head is machine washable and reusable, which is a cost-effective and environmentally friendly option. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.